Hi guys, we are in England.
We were hoping to use your factory to maybe prepare for Silverstone.
Yeah, it's all yours.
It's shut down. Go wild.
Promise we won't do anything silly.
Who are you?
You might have heard of me. Toprak, 3-time World Superbike champion.
Who?
Here, I'll try. Jack Miller, MotoGP race winner. We're here with Pierre and Franco.
Ah, yes. Welcome, welcome.
Should have said no.
Flavio!
Flavio.
Dove Flavio?
Flavio. Flavio.
Flavio!
That's my suit.
I feel like we are forgetting something.
F1 overalls have knee sliders.